Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set on remember my preference, language preference and dictionary in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option here this, and I will go to the settings that I can set the things and accounts department. First of all I have checked something. What? That is nothing. I thought something else or something happened in my PC, sorry laptop. So here I will scroll in below. So here where we will go, here the Windows backup. So what have there, have backup your files, apps, preference to restore them across this device. So click here, and the thing is remember my preference. I will click here, as well as the thing is what I want here this thing, language preference and dictionary. So first of all we have to check the things. The thing has been unhide. See, unhide things. When we click, the click has not been working. So first of all we have to turn on. See here by default it has turned off. So when I will turn on, the thing has been available. So click here, see the thing is available. So now we want to click here, and that is marked. See, language preference and dictionary. See, in this way I can turn on language preference and dictionary. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.